You need to replace the reverse light bulbs and the side signal bulb too. There appears to be like under this cover like small depressed areas. You may want to try with a tiny screwdriver, but be careful not to force. The plastic is extremely brittle, so there's like 2 tabs that you may want to try to release. Will it work? If you are lucky, maybe. There's 2 more tabs at the top, so basically you are pressing against the lower one, but these are extremely brittle. You may want to stick it back with something. That's the tweeter for the V70. We need to pull on this thing, and once you pull completely out, just pull it downwards a little bit, just like that. When you put it back in place, there's 2 holes here, and also careful not to crush the wire. You have 2 tabs that you need to fully slide into those holes, each of them. Then we put it like this, and again check this is pulled out all the way, otherwise it's not going to lock into position, and secure it like this. Well, it doesn't work. I'm working one hand, but you get the idea. So much for this guy. And the bulbs, if I can help you, check out the orientation. Both of the bulbs, that's the turn signal, I believe, and this is the reverse. The turn signal, both of them screw back in clockwise and unscrew counterclockwise. The same for the other side. So remember this, and you grab this, so like it's a tab, a big tab, and just unscrew it counterclockwise, just a small turn. And when you put it back in place, you notice it has a smaller tab at the top and a slightly bigger one at the bottom. That's how you figure out how to put it back in place. And this turn signal goes back there with the tab completely vertical. That's how you put it back in place, and you turn it to the right to lock it. And then the the reverse one, again counterclockwise to remove it. When you put it back in place, it's opposite, is different. You put it horizontally like this. That's how it goes back in place, just like that. And you screw it back like this. And again, it has a smaller tab at the top and a slightly larger tab at the bottom. That's how you know which one is the top, which one is the bottom. It has the contacts, electrical contacts. There's like a plate, metal plate, actually there's 2 of them. I put it, and that gives you an idea what to watch for. And also watch your fingers, because it's really it's a sharp metals there a lot. So again, completely horizontal the top for this one, and completely vertical when you place it in there. And well, I'm not going to show you everything because I'm working one hand, but that's the idea. So that's how you place these guys back, and then rotate this guy like this with the small tab at the top, and then rotate this guy like this.